I'm going to show you how to multiply a 4-digit number by 2-digit numbers. Now, by the time we get to this stage, children should be very confident with the method that they're using. So they'll no longer need to use concrete apparatus or even the grid method that we were using previously with place value counters, and they'll go straight to a formal written method. So the calculation that I'm going to be concentrating on is 2,739 multiplied by 28. Okay, so if need be, children can still use their column headers, but again, at this point they might not need it, but if it makes them feel a bit more confident, then that's absolutely fine. So I'll put those in. Okay, so I've then got to make sure I line up my columns correctly. So 2,739, I'm going to multiply that by 28. Okay. Right. So I'm going to start off with the smallest number first of all, okay? All right. So 8 times 9 is 72. 2 down, carry 7. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 7 is 31. 1 down, carry the 3. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 3 is 59. 9 down, carry the 5. And then finally 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 5. So 16 plus 5 is 21. And I'm at the end of that calculation, so I can write 21 down altogether. Okay, so this line comes to 21,912. If the children need to cross out these little numbers that they've carried over so that they know they've added them on, then that's absolutely fine as well. Okay, I'm just going to change colours just so this stands out for you. I'm now going to multiply by this 2 because I'm done with the 8. Okay, and it's 2 tens. Okay, now I could spend the whole time going 2 tens times 9, 2 tens times 3, 2 tens times 7. Okay, but we know that all 10 numbers, think all the numbers in your 10 times table end with a 0. So let's put that down. First of all, we know we are multiplying by a 10 number. Okay, so rather than getting all tongue-tied by going 2 tens times 9, 2 tens times 3 tens and so on, I know I'm timesing by a 10 number, so now I can not worry about saying 10 all the time. So I can just focus on the digits. So 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, now 20 times 9 would be 180. Okay, but 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, the zero's there already. 8 down, carry the 1. You can see the 180. Okay, that's what I mean. So don't worry about saying the 10s all the time. So 0 down, because all 10 numbers end with 0. 2 times 9 is 18. 8 down, carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6. I've got nothing to carry or anything like that, but I do need to add this. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. There's nothing to add on. Okay, so that's 4 down, carry 1. And 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so this line adds up to 54,780. I'm going to draw a line there because I'm now going to add these up. Okay, 2 add nothing is 2. 8 add 1 is 9. 9 add 7 is 16. 6 down, carry 1. 4 add 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And 5 add 2 is 7. Okay, so my answer altogether is 76,692. 76,692. Now you can see how if I made the numbers that I carried any bigger, it would get very, very confusing for the children. So it's really important that these numbers that the children have carried go under the line where possible and are written small, but small enough that I can still read them. Okay, and it is important that they double check that they have added all of those on as well. All right, so I'll do one more using exactly the same method so that you can just see again how it is done. But this time I will just go through it a bit quicker and won't be giving any additional pointers. So this time the calculation I'm going to do is 1,234 multiplied by 25. Okay. So line up my columns. Start with the smallest number. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So 5 times 1,234 is 6,170. I've finished with my 5. Timesing by a 10 number, all 10 numbers end with 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. As I'm finished, I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to add these up. Nothing add nothing is nothing. 7 add 8 is 15. 6 add 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 6 add 4 is 10. And 2 add nothing is 2, plus that one I carried is 3. So my answer is 30,850.